Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best countertop dishwashers that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Coming in at number 5 is the Darling AO Dishwasher Lower Rack Wheels Replacement. Now, while this product isn't a full countertop dishwasher, it offers an essential component for those who need to replace worn-out wheels on their existing dishwasher racks. Made from premium ABS plastic, these wheels are both heat-resistant and BPA-free, ensuring durability and safe usage even under high-temperature cycles. With a straightforward, tool-free installation process, these replacement wheels can quickly restore smooth functionality to your dishwasher's lower rack. In terms of design, these wheels have a compact build with a 1.45-inch diameter and a 1-inch height, making them an ideal fit for models from Bosch, Kenmore, and other major brands. The secure locking clip ensures they stay firmly attached, eliminating those frustrating moments when racks wobble or get stuck. Though not a standalone dishwasher, this product is perfect for anyone looking to fix common issues like noisy operation or uneven cleaning results caused by broken or missing rack wheels. The biggest drawback here is that this product is limited to a specific niche use case. It's not a dishwasher, but rather a repair accessory. However, it earns its spot on this list by providing an affordable and effective solution for enhancing your dishwasher's performance. If you're someone who already owns a dishwasher and needs to replace rack wheels, this product could be a lifesaver. At number 4, we have the BLITZHOME Portable Dishwasher Countertop, which stands out as the best budget option in this lineup. Priced at just $227.99, this dishwasher offers excellent value for money, while still delivering a variety of impressive features. One of its most unique selling points is the app-based smart control functionality, allowing you to manage settings and check the status of your dishwasher remotely via your smartphone. This is a game changer for anyone who values convenience and connectivity in their appliances. Design-wise, the BLITZHOME boasts a compact yet spacious build that can hold up to 20 dishes at once, including bowls, plates, and cutlery. Its 3D 360-degree spiral spray arms ensure thorough cleaning, while the 6 washing programs, including Standard, Quick, Strong, Eco, Fruit, and Drying modes, cater to various needs. The high-temperature drying and air refresh functions add another layer of hygiene and convenience, making it an excellent choice for small households, apartments, or RVs. Plus, it uses only 5 liters of water per cycle, making it eco-friendly and cost-effective. The downside is its slightly higher noise level of 58 dB compared to other models, which might be noticeable in quieter environments. Additionally, while the app control is innovative, some users might find it unnecessary if they prefer manual settings. Nevertheless, for anyone on a budget who wants a feature-packed countertop dishwasher, the BLITZHOME is hard to beat. Coming in at number 3 is the HAVA Countertop Dishwasher, a mid-range option that strikes a balance between affordability and premium features. With its price tag of $289, the HAVA offers a spacious interior capable of holding up to 30 kitchenware items, or 4 full-place settings. This makes it ideal for small families or individuals living in apartments, dorms, or RVs. It supports 2 water supply modes, a built-in 5-liter water tank for manual filling, and a faucet connection option for added versatility. The HAVA dishwasher comes equipped with 6 washing modes, including normal, speed, soft, heavy, baby care, fruit, and dry. Its 360-degree cleaning coverage ensures that even the toughest stains are tackled effectively, and the baby care mode, washing at 167 degrees Fahrenheit, adds an extra layer of hygiene for baby bottles and oily dishes. Additionally, the drying function offers 60 minutes of hot air drying and 72 hours of automatic ventilation, preventing odors and ensuring dishes are ready to use whenever needed. While the HAVA is slightly heavier and louder than some competitors, weighing 28.6 pounds and operating at 60 dB, its energy-efficient operation and user-friendly design make it a solid contender. If you're looking for a countertop dishwasher that provides excellent cleaning performance and an array of features at a reasonable price, the HAVA is worth considering. Taking the second spot is the COMFEE Portable Mini Dishwasher Countertop, a highly versatile and compact dishwasher that offers exceptional performance at a moderate price of $239.99. This model is perfect for small spaces, thanks to its ultra-compact design measuring just 17.13 by 16.53 by 17.24 inches. Despite its small size, it can wash over 30 items, including plates up to 9.5 inches in diameter, making it a great choice for apartments, dorms, RVs, and boats. The COMFEE dishwasher features 6 washing programs: normal, rapid, steam, fruit, glass, and an air refresh extra drying mode to handle everything from everyday dishware to delicate glassware. Its high-temp hygiene wash cycle reaches up to 192 degrees Fahrenheit, making it suitable for cleaning baby bottles and heavily soiled dishes. With a noise level of 62 dB, it's slightly louder than some other models, but its performance more than makes up for it. Plus, you can either manually fill the 5-liter water tank or connect it directly to a faucet with the included hose. The only downside is its plastic construction, which might not feel as premium as stainless steel alternatives. However, its energy efficiency, 1/3 water consumption compared to hand washing, and robust cleaning capabilities make it a fantastic option for anyone seeking a reliable and compact dishwasher without breaking the bank. Finally, taking the #1 spot is the NOVETE Portable Countertop Dishwasher, the premium option on our list at $331.61. This model is the ultimate choice for users who demand top-tier performance, advanced features, and a sleek design. Measuring 16.9 by 16.8 by 18.1 inches, it's compact enough for small spaces but offers a spacious interior that fits up to 12-inch dishes loaded at an angle and accommodates 4 full place settings. Its double-layer design ensures efficient use of space, making it perfect for families of 3 to 4 or anyone with a busy lifestyle. The NOVETE dishwasher comes with 5 wash programs: normal, speed, soft, baby care heavy, and fruit, and includes a baby care mode that heats water to 167 Fahrenheit for thorough cleaning of baby products and oily tableware. What sets this model apart is its 3-in-1 function that combines a dishwasher, dryer, and cabinet for ultimate convenience. The drying mode uses hot air for up to 60 minutes and includes 72-hour automatic ventilation to keep dishes dry and odor-free. Its transparent dual-layer glass door and built-in LED lamp let you monitor the cleaning process easily. With a noise level of just 50 decibels, the NOVETE is the quietest option on this list, making it ideal for open-concept spaces or nighttime use. The only drawback might be the higher price, but for the advanced features, build quality, and performance, it's worth every penny. If you're looking for the best countertop dishwasher on the market, the NOVETE is the clear winner. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.